show the project, and it is an e-commerce web project. Basically, users can purchase some products, and admins can control the users and product details. So we use the React, MongoDB, and Express Node.js to build a whole backend and frontend. In the family, we use a Docker to wrap entire application into different images. So let me start the project. So you can see there are chat server. Ignore the client and data model. It is generated by the Docker, but mainly it's just chat server, node server, and front end funnel. So chat server is for TypeScript chatting functions, and node server is the main API. And front end funnel is just written by the React, and it is a one-page application. So if it is first time you use it, you probably need to Docker compose stuff and / build. So you're gonna build the images first, and then you're gonna compose that. Since I have already, built the images, so I directly compose that. So it's successfully built. So compared with the original npm install and npm start, it kind of 10 times like faster than the original build up process. So let's go to the website. So here are the homepage. You can see some products, some like Pokemons. You can view the products, and you can see some related products based on the same category. And let me sign in with the regular users. No, this is not regular users. Okay, here's a regular user. You can see the purchase history. If you click into the history, you're gonna see the other details, like how much you buy it, how much you spend, and how many items you purchased, and what is the product name. So on the shopping page, you can use some filters. If you want to buy the product, add to the cart. Adjust the quantities. Remove the product, and buy it again. Pay with the card. Okay. Here I use a strap as a front end and back end, payment module. It's kind of easy to use. And since it is a test mode, the card number is just 42. It doesn't matter the card number, so don't worry about it. If I paid, it's gonna pop up with a small pop-up message, and the card gonna be empty. So if you go to the discussion here, I talked before. I use a chat server, the chat server as a separate server, since it is written by the TypeScript, and you can, if there are another users log in, go into the same page, you can test the message. He or she actually gonna see the messages. For the user, you can update your profile. You can update your name, your email, and password. And if you sign in with the admin users. The only difference for the admin users in the backend is just, I put the actual data field as a row in the database for the users. So admin users, they have the row 0, and for the they have the row 1, and for the regular users, they have the row as a 0 integer. So for the admin users, you can their set overview, all the products, order categories, and you can view the orders. Total orders 22, and you can actually update the status. This is right now canceled, but if you want it processing, you're gonna change to the processing. In the backend, the orders detail gonna be changed also as soon as you just change the status here and all the other details. Dashboard, you can create a category here. You can create a product here also. Yeah, that's all the features, all the functions we have on our website. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, that's our team project. This is a backend API. Use the cores, so it records all the HTTP requests in the backend for the debugging. So once you want to close the server, let me show something else. Yeah. So right now, if I go to Docker PS, look, here's something like really, I think it's really interesting. So for the website functions like API, use the 3000 and 8000, 4000 as a port. But for the Docker images itself, it gonna export the port also. If you want to dive into the individual Docker image, you're gonna use the port as 70 for the UI and 80 for the API, and it's Node server, and 90 for the React. Now for the chat server, but it is a separate port like run on the operating system. So right now, if you want to close it, just Control C. You're gonna killing all the images, and here the Docker PS, you're gonna nothing here, but the images are still exist. Here, the images are still here, and you created 1 day ago. So yeah, that's our project. Thank you guys. I'm gonna close the video.